Dive into the vibrant world of the golden pheasant, also known as the Chinese or rainbow pheasant. Discovered in the mountainous forests of western China, this game bird, with its captivating golden crest and rump, is a true masterpiece of nature. From the striking appearance of the adult male to the subtle elegance of the female, they are native to the forests in mountainous regions. Their foraging habits include ground roosting tendencies and the intriguing flapping flight mode they employ for escaping predators. They lay 8 to 12 eggs. They incubate for 22 to 23 days. Subscribe our channel for more bird facts.